Hello again. I am going to explain the best way to compare fractions to decimals and put them in order from least to greatest. My daughter was having a little bit of an issue with it, and this is what we found was the best way to do that. So I added, to show you, I'm going to use this last problem to show you how to do so. So to me, in my head, the way it's easiest for me and was to explain it to her was to convert all of those to the same type, no matter if it's a decimal or a fraction. And to me, the easiest way is to convert all of them to a fraction in the hundredth. So it would be 36 over 100 would stay the same. Same with 8 over 100. So I am going to get my text box. Let's see, make it a little bigger. We're going to put that in red so it stands out. Okay, so let me scroll up because right now I can't even see the problem. Did it again. Okay. The toolbar keeps getting in the way. Okay, so we're going to put these in order. You've got, we're just going to make sure and put them all in the same thing first. So first you've got 36 over 100. So that's 36 100ths. And then, let's see, the next one is 0.2, 0.2, which is 2/10. So we're going to convert that. The quickest and easiest way is, in order to get 100 at the bottom, you've already got a 10, you have to add a 0. So what you do to the bottom, you have to do to the top. So we're going to make, instead of that 2 over 10, we are going to make that and add a 0 to the top because we had to add 1 to the bottom. So now that one is converted. Then your next one is 1/10. So in order to make that where they're all the same, we're going to convert that. So we add a 0 to the bottom to make that 100. And because we did it on the bottom, we got to add it to the top. That makes it 10 100ths. Okay, let's go on to the next one. The next one is 8 100ths. So we don't need to do anything with that number. Then there is 0.5, which is 5/10. So this one is one we're going to have to convert. So we're going to go ahead and put it in fraction form with the way it's written, which would be 5/10, 5 over 10. So in order to switch that to 100ths, we have to add a 0 to the bottom, and again we add it to the top. Okay, then our last number is 0.44, which is 44 100ths. So 44 100ths, to put it in fraction form, is 44 over 100. So now you have all of your numbers in the same order that they are on top, so you can see which one goes first and which one goes second, and third, and so on. So they're all in order as to which one, and you can see easily. So basically now all you have to do is not pay attention to the part of the fraction where it says 100th. You're just going to look at that top numerator number and you're going to put those in order. So we're going to see which one is first, second, third, and so on. So with that being said, let's see, which one would be the least? So the least number, let's see, 36, no, it looks like 8 is going to be the least. So if we look up here, the one that was 8 over 100, that is going to be your first one. So when you're typing it, actually, we're going to go ahead and type that up here. So that is 8 over 100. So then your next one, and we're going to, I keep going back and forth, but I'm trying to make it a little easier on you. So that one is completed. So then the second one. So then after 8, the next number that would come would be the 10. So 10 100th. Well, 10 100th isn't up there, but what was right next to the 8 100th is 1 over 10. So that means that that would be your next number, putting them in order. So we'll go up here and put where we can put 1/10. Okay, doing great. Next, we're going to go ahead and highlight that off so we know that that's one that we completed. The next one is going to be, let's see, be 20 100th. 20 100th. So it's going to be right next to the 1/10 because that's the one we just did. So then we'll go up here, and the one next to that means that your answer will be the 0.2, which is 2/10. Okay, moving right along. Let's see. Next, 36 100th. That's going to be your next number because it is less than 44 and 50. So then your next number will be 36 100th because that is the actual number. We don't have to convert that back. So let's highlight that and get that done. Then after that, you got 44, and then 50 is going to be your last one. So up here, it's going to be the 44/10 in decimal form, and then 5/10 in decimal form is going to be the next one after that. So we'll just go ahead and put both of those in there. Sorry about that. Let's see. Should turn notifications off. So that next number is going to be 0.44, and then 0.5, which is you got 44 100ths and 5/10. And so that is the easiest way to put those in order, is to convert them first into everything the same. So whether it be the same fraction or the same decimal, you can do it either way. I have found that doing it in the fraction was easier to explain. So that's the way that we have been doing it. So that's the way I taught her how to. I hope this helps you. If you have any questions, feel free to message. Thank you.